Welcome. In this video I will show you how to improve dialogue quality for movies and TV series on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. To do that, navigate to the gear icon from the home screen, then go to Display and Audio tile, then select Audio Settings. And after that, navigate to Advanced Settings menu. Here you'll find Dialogue Clarity. By selecting this option, you will either disable dialogue clarity feature or select either low or high level of enhancement. Besides, you can also enable the Dolby AC4 audio enhancement system for dialogues if you scroll to Audio Output, and here you'll find AC4 Dialogue Enhancer, and you can either set it to low, medium or high level. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.